In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Data Studio error message. If you've ever opened a report and suddenly seen a warning about a missing data source or a dataset configuration issue, it can feel a bit alarming at first, but in most cases, it's actually something simple to fix. These errors usually happen when the connection between your report and its data gets interrupted. That can occur for a few common reasons. Your credentials might have expired, a spreadsheet or table might have been moved or renamed, or permissions might have changed on the data source. The good news is that you don't need to rebuild your report. This is usually just a connection issue that can be repaired inside Data Studio. Start by opening your report in Data Studio. Once you're inside, go to the top menu and click on Resources. From the drop-down, select Manage Added Data Sources. This is where Data Studio keeps track of every dataset connected to your report. When the panel opens, you'll see a list of all data sources currently used in your report. Your goal is to identify the one causing the error. Often it will be linked to charts or tables that are showing missing or broken data. If you have multiple sources, look carefully at the names or connector types. Sometimes Data Studio will even flag the problematic one, making it easier to spot. Once you find the correct data source, click on it and select Edit. This takes you into the data source configuration screen where the connection between your report and your actual data is managed. At the top of this screen, look for the option Edit Connection. Click it. This step is important because it allows Data Studio to recheck the link between your report and the underlying data source. Now click Reconnect. Data Studio will try to reestablish the connection. In many cases, this works immediately, especially if nothing major has changed in your data structure. If your access is still valid and your data source is intact, the connection will restore within a few seconds. However, sometimes Data Studio will notice changes like renamed columns, missing fields, or modified data structures. If that happens, it may show you a summary of differences. Take a moment to review this carefully because those changes can affect how your charts behave. For example, if a column name changed, a chart relying on that column might need updating. Once the reconnection process is complete, go back to your report, refresh the page, and check your visuals. In most cases, the error will be gone and your charts will load normally again. If you still see issues, don't panic. First, double-check that you edited the correct data source, especially if your report uses multiple connections. Then make sure you're logged into the right Google account that has permission to access the data. Sometimes simply switching accounts or reloading the report resolves the issue. Here are a few helpful habits to avoid this problem in the future. Keep your data source names clear and descriptive so you can easily identify them later. Try not to rename columns or remove fields too frequently without updating your report. And if you do make changes to your data structure, update your Data Studio report soon after so everything stays in sync. And that's it. By going to Resources, managing your data sources, editing the correct connection, and clicking Reconnect, you can quickly fix most missing data source or configuration errors in Data Studio and get your report back up and running smoothly.